Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and of course we are in the 9th year of Windows 10. It's hard to believe that I still remember my first video of the first day of Windows 10 arriving in 2015. This was pretty incredible. So July 29th was this month. So now we are, of course, nearing the end of Windows 10 with 1 year left. Now there will be an extension, but one thing for sure is that a lot of people surfed on Windows 10. For me, Windows 10 is and was a great operating system. I hear people saying, oh, well, I love Windows XP, or Windows 7 was the best. For me, Windows 10 is the best. There are so many things in there that they have implemented that make it better. Just the cumulative updates. Cumulative updates, if we take out, of course, the times that Microsoft goofed, but that isn't Windows 10 related, it's Windows related forever. It made updates so much easier to install. Now, you don't have to wait, prepare a special image of whatever. The cumulative updates install so easily that it just makes it really, really cool to get Windows updates compared to Windows 7 and Windows XP. As a tech guy, Windows 7 and Windows XP were a nightmare, having to install all sorts of updates and wait for all of that to happen. You couldn't leave the computer alone. You really needed to stay there. Windows 10 is a much better way of upgrading, and that is nice. And it continues with Windows 11 that has a even better update system too, by having a update system that actually does get even tinier packages for the same updates that would be in the Windows updates. Of course, there's a lot of things that people love, a lot of things people didn't like. Live tiles were kind of cool. I kind of enjoyed having live tiles, basically. That was kind of nice. Things that people didn't use or didn't want, Cortana, of course. Although I did, and I was kind of finding it nice to have, Cortana. I used it as an assistant. I mean, it was a time when everything was getting assistants, including, smartphones. Honestly, this is a pretty cool operating system that still today looks, quite modern compared to when you compare that to Windows 7, which looks so old. I think everybody has adopted Windows 10, and everybody's been surfing on Windows 10 for years now. Probably all love the operating system, and change is a big problem, and Windows 11 does implicate changes. But my personal favorite right now, Windows 10, is really, really definitely an operating system I loved. And I loved the ideas. They had some ideas. They had some cool stuff. If you guys remember, they were giving them names like, Creators Update and all of that. It was kind of funny at one point. Also kind of, they want us to do stuff with Windows. It was kind of a really nice thing. And when the first years, the Windows Insider program came out with Donna Sarkar particularly, it was exciting. You wanted to be an insider. You wanted to be helping out and making this better. Unfortunately, this all faded away with too many bad decisions. And we'll see what comes next with regards to, Windows extension, Windows 11, of course, and whatever else is coming our way. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.